Once again, I find myself inches away from certain death. Oh, that is some raging water there. Yeah, that is dangerous. I mean, I'm on a trail, but one wrong move and there she goes. Yeah, I don't know what compels me to do this. I guess my love for nature and the fact that I'm still a little feverish, slightly dizzy. Take a look at our surroundings here. Oh, the towering evergreens. I guess they're cedar. I don't know what they are. I'm pretty sure they are just, what the heck is Brian doing? What is he doing? You guys, what is he doing? Brian, you know what? He's gonna die today, and then this is gonna be footage of his death. I wanted to do that, and he said no. He said, you're gonna get wet, you're gonna drown, and then look at Mr. Adventurer. Bear Grylls over there. What the heck? Where'd he go? Did he fall in? You know, that really chaps my spurs because I wanted to do that, and then he did it. So now I'm irritated. I don't know if you can sense it from looking at my face. I got a lot of rage. A lot of rage. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see if I can get over there. And I'm not gonna film it because that'd be stupid. So I'm gonna try to walk over there, not fall in, and I'll keep you posted. I'll see you on the other side. Tammy Barrington, this one's for you. And if I don't make it, well, you can write in my obituary that I died doing what I love to do. Look at that.